guys, we're heading to the beach.
We stopped in Pensacola someplace in Georgia.
Pensacola. Alright guys, see you.
Traffic for a long time.
After 2 hours
People backing
drive.
up the exit right here is what they're doing. We stopped this exit before. Remember, use the bathroom right there. Is what they did.
After 2 hours drive, tingnan nyo yung mukha namin guys.
Down that way.
Ayan si Ethan, oh. Na-boring na siya
We gotta go
kakaupo.
around or something, you know? Yeah, see the cars are stopping and shit. Hell yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Baby.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty bad smoke. So they got the interstate stopped now. It had to just happen too. You know?
So, doon yung ano guys, oh. Car crash pala siya, ha? Let's get off the road. I'm gonna put you inside. So, nag-stretch out muna yung ating driver.
Car don't look for you. Yeah, you just a little boy. Yeah, you just a little boy. You be careful, okay? That's what a tractor trailer is doing too, getting off.
Ah. So, doon yun guys. Also, mag-reroute kami para kasi nga electric nga yung aming sasakyan. And then, malapit na siyang kailangan na din siyang i-charge. Balik na kami sa interstate guys. Oh?
Dude,
Walang traffic.
here anyway. Coming to a stop sign.
Really?
Yeah, I bet you
Ay,
can.
bago,
Yeah,
likuran,
see
ganun mo
through
lang.
markets and stuff. There's an RV park right there.
No,
There's a boat
look
down
at
there. There's an RV
guys.
park right there. Put the boat in the water.
Uh-huh.
Got all the high-rise buildings out here. Condo unit.
Oyster bar.
There's an oyster bar, yeah. There's some fresh oysters down here too, man.
Mga bati kitag na. Mapilon tao.
At the tops of the trees right here. See them? Looks more like the beach scene here, doesn't it? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then more excited.
Yeah. Hala. The milk.
Let's fill it.
Yeah. Ito na kami guys. So nagkuha lang kami sa ano, sa Yawi. Perdido. Ayan siya. Restaurant dyan. So andito na kami. The kitchen. We're charging here. How many miles, husband?
Past Alabama.
How many miles we drive from Alabama to here?
How many miles?
Yeah.
Like 250 miles almost. 240, 250 miles.
Oh, just asking.
Yeah, something like that.
Then now we're charging.
Now we're charging.
We have to wait for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Dito kayo. Look at the moon.
Exit out of the parking lot up here.
We're done charging.
I don't see one.
So how much our charge? 65. Then
Huh?
65.
It was like $45 fill it.
65%.
Huh?
But the battery is 65. Then you pay for 45.
Yeah, the batteries, let's see here. We're at about 75% is where we're at. We got 225 miles. So, man, there's some nice boats.
Hello guys, so it's our first day here. And then si Ethan ay pa rin nakawala yung kanyang Uranus. Si Mr. nagluto ng breakfast. Pinaya ko. So, nagluto siya ng breakfast and then, ginawa niya ako ng coffee. So, tingnan nyo ang view. Si Ethan, enjoy na enjoy. Namin ko lang siya ng gamot. Ayan si Mr. doon. Ay, tapos Ethan. Ang kulang mo yan. Ganda ng ano guys, ng background sa ocean. Sa dagat. So, turn around yung ating camera. What the? Maya na tayo mag-video. Sabihin na natin ito ng takbal. Bacon, egg. Kasi Ethan, nilaro yung dirty clothes. Why? It's stinking? Guys, ayan yung aming ano, nilagay ko dito na yung ibang. So, ihang ko yung kanyang ano, damit. So, see you guys. Gustong pumunta dito. Ayan. Ayan, sunlight. Eating dinner. Eating dinner, guys.
You did.
Yeah, Joanna. Yeah. We have to wait. So guys, nag-ride kami, dinala kami ni Mr. after sa swimming pool. Then first time ko talagang naglakad ng ganito. Kasi swimsuit lang. Kasi hindi kami nagdala ng pang chain. So, nandito kami sa, saan ba to? Cumberland. Go, no. I don't know, it's Cumberland. Kaya ano si Mr. nagamit ng CR. And then nakabili kami ng parang souvenir t-shirt dito ba. It's like 399 din, buy one take one. Yung tao ni Ethan, no? Buy one take one lang to siya. So yeah, first time ko talaga nag-swimsuit guys. Lumakad, gala. Nag-shopping, pero meron naman ako nito. Pinakabira na yung ating lubot. Hi guys, hindi ako naka-vlog masyado dahil busy ako kay Ethan. See you guys. Yung dalawa na dun sa bahay. Galit si Mr. dahil ayaw nila lumabas kasi andun sa party. Wasting the money lang talaga. So guys, ito yung nabili namin, no. Kuhan na ni siya. $4. Then, buy one, get one. So, free na yung, buy one, get one free. So, free na yung hat ni Ethan. And then, yung dalawa, binilhan ko ng ganito din. So, yeah. Maganda siya. Pangsapaw lang ito siya. Pangsapaw sa kuhan. Swimsuit. Pangsapaw. Look. Look.
Then why use red apples?
What?
Then why use red apple?
Red apples?
Because it's no naman.
You don't use red apples. You use Granny Smith.
Why there is...
Apple pie.
We're heading to Orange Beach, guys. We're gonna ride some...
Is he gonna
Use
rain
red
one?
apples.
Mag-ride
You
with
eat
it.
red apples, or you use
Huh?
red apples. Granny Smith
I think it's
apples
just
or,
gloomy.
green apple.
So,
That you cut and put it in
ano
apple
ngayon?
pie. That's
Malamig.
apple pie.
So, gloomy yung panahon.
Huh?
Kaya, mag-ride sa merong indoor doon. Baka
There's a
mag-swimming kami.
taxi.
Taxi?
Cab.
Cab here? Well, yeah, I'm sure there are cabs.
I just saw one pass by.
Holy cow. Man. You
See you. Where is that? Daddy. Husband.
One that was. Oh.
Where we go? Ah, let's get Ethan. Ba, i-bring Ethan lang. Asa si Ethan? Siya? Ha? Hala, asa siya? Kulang tadi ha. Balik kami. Let's go outside. Oh, tingnan niyo yan. Ito, outside.
Somebody likes to run it. They got go track. They got bumper boats back there.
Uh-huh.
They got roller coaster ride.
Oh,
They got little
no.
Ferris wheel rides.
Yeah.
Put the teacups here.
Is Ethan gonna ride at the teacup?
So I'll probably enjoy seeing the
Teacup.
teacups with you. Let's just go on.
Yeah. Gonna ride the teacup. But, Dim, come here. Teacup. Oh, tingnan nyo yung kanilang ano guys, oh. What is this one here? Then, golf. Si Ethan, wanna go? Si Ethan lang. Lara. Oh, look at the giraffe. Oh. You cannot get in. We wait for daddy. Let's wait for daddy. Entrance to bumper boat. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Ah, look at this. Oh my God. Look at it, oh. Wow, look at it. Wow. Look, here. Look.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No hit. Stop. Want to get off? Okay. Yeah, just stop there. Yeah. He's just being stubborn today. I know.
Ryan. Ayaw nagtantrum.
Don't even make sense.
How you doing, buddy?
All right.
Apple juice for half a meal.
Yep.
The food's coming right up, bud.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Guys. So hello guys. So it's our last day here. And then magsiling si Ethan dahil bukas ng umaga ay uuwi na kami. Mamaya magligpit na tayo para sa ating mga gamit bukas mamaya. So dahil ko muna to si Ethan sa swimming pool para mag-enjoy kay today is the last day of our vacation. So So ligpit na naman tayo mamaya, guys. Ito yung pinakamahirap na ayaw kong bakasyon dahil ang daming gagawin. Pero tiis-tiis dahil hindi tayo nag-iisa. Kailangan din ng ating mga anak ng para hindi ma-boring. Pura nag-enjoy pa mo si Ethan. Ay. So, hindi ako masyado nag-video dahil focus lang ako kay Ethan. Para mag-enjoy siya kaya minsan lang to. Minsan lang to mangyari. Buhay. Buhay. Charot. Once a year lang ito, day. Kaya, sulitin ang araw. So, sayang siya dahil hindi tayo nakapalag masyado. Wala akong edit. Wala akong nai-upload. Come here. Wear this one. Dali. Master ba? Hindi ko din kasi nagdala yung aking tripod. Kaya wala masyadong video. Baho. May guys. May nag-smoke ng ba? Alam niyo na yun. Tara! Sumabaho. Baho Hala, nag-enjoy pa man siya sa iyahang kuan. Magkuan lang sa ako, manulod lang sa ako sa mga gamit. Nag-enjoy pa man siya. Kanya ko na lang ni siya siguro dalawang kung magkanang maghilak-hilak ba. Wala pa man na-enjoy pa. See you guys. Diba, umiitim ako.
What?
I'm dark. I'm dark now. We're heading home, guys. See you guys. Ito pa rin yung aking binabalik.
What's that?
Nilabhan ko, pero ganito na yung nangyari niya. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Pa rin, katulad ng when we are on the way here.
I did not expect that.
Banana peel fly out.
Yeah.
I don't really consider that apple core stuff like that. It's not really considered littering anything like this. Just throwing them out on an asphalt parking lot or something. Yeah, it's littering.
So we stop by and charge for 30 minutes. Guys. Wait, we are here at Walmart. Pero nandito na kami sa sa Alabama. We're still anong oras na? 12:56. Pero pag mag-stop kami, isaabot kami doon ng almost 5. Still a long ride. $18 na siya, guys. 48 man to kanina. And now it's 64. Then pay na $18 na siya. Which one costs you a lot? Electric or gas? Total charge? Mas ba na sa?
What?
70%
You what, baby?
for 22.
Yeah.
Oh, that's no more na.
I got two of them cut with a big handsaw. One of them couldn't hook it, and I noticed that the blade, the wood was so wet, it was slinging water out, and that blade was getting hot and
Start working?
cutting my. Yeah, one of them, and I had to recut one of them.
Yeah.
It cut some things. Then I got the little saws out, and I have to do it twice,
Yeah.
and they went to warping on me. And
What's that,
I
charging?
That's crazy.
I left a couple of
Charger?
Yeah. Might need to do an initial cut and then just cut.
So, tiningnan nila doon sa loob, guys, ang White Water Park. So, let's see. Binidyohan ni Sophia. Dito lang kami sa parking lot. Naghintay. Ang daming charging station dyan, no? Sa electric. yan. Diyan marami siya.
Doon na.
Ah. My God, kayo talaga ako dahil. So, tingnan nyo guys. Oh. After kuan, pila ka days, tawa yung ating banana. Hala, nakatumba. So, ang kanika, wala siya nabubui. Awa, namatay. Ang ating blueberry. Ewan ko kung babalik pa to siya. Yung ating lemongrass. Ha? Yeah. But, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then, look at our green onion. Ha? Green onion.